Hi, my name is Krista. Nine in half. This is the fruit. This is the tomato. Tomato is red. This is the cheese. Cheese is yummy. This is the ham. This is the jam. This is the salad. This is the butter. This is the milk. This is the carrot. This is the avocado. Bye.